Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter O'Neill, and in this video we're going to review the mining checks that I bought and sold. Now a few days ago you saw a video where I showed you a collection of mining checks, lamp checks that came into the shop. Now I paid it was somewhere around 175 for them all. It was about 30 in the collection. And I'm going to show you, I listed them all on eBay with £12 no reserve, and I'm going to show you basically what I've achieved. Now either 10 or 11 didn't get a bid, which at £12 each is shocking to be honest with you, but I now phone a friend of mine who'll come and buy those off me in the shop, so I'll get £100 for those 10. If it's 11 it's £110 because I get a tenner each for those in the shop. So they'll go now this week, no problem at all. So we're going to have a little look on eBay as to how much I actually achieved and the prices we achieved them on. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. Now this was the little check, that plaque that I didn't know that much about. I was dubious about paying the price for it. As you know, I give him £25. £71.60 I got for that. That was quite shocking. Then we're going to start looking at these checks now. So, where are we at? I got two checks here, sold for £25. £12.50 for one there. £26 for two over there. £12, £26.32 for one. Is it? Yeah, £26.32 for one. £16, £12, £12, £12.50, £12.50, £16 and 5, £12, £12.50, £18. So as you can see, a few of these I've run. So let me go just to today, if I can, just today. Right, so just today in the 15 lots, that's how much the mining lamp checks now returned me. £326.98, and that is just for the checks. Let me just show you there, there's nothing else on that list. Shouldn't be. There we go, nothing else on that list, just mining checks. So all in all, I done alright on those checks. I still got £100 worth here in the shop that I'm going to sell out, and I've taken that £325 if you like. So that's going to be over £400, £425 for the mining checks. Let me show you the ones I have left. Bear with me a second. There's the little group I got left, guys. I've put them out now in the shop this morning, and I've sent my friend John a text message so he'll come and look at them. They'll all go to 10 each, so there's 3, 9, 11. So there's £110 there and 326. So £426 for something that's going to go into an envelope and be gone. Now I'm going to have a look at the fees in a minute. Well, in fact, I won't do that on this one. I'm going to do another video and review the full 7 days sales on eBay and fees and everything else. But that was interesting. That was the lowest of his checks, his worst checks then that he's given me. I've got a load of polo checks coming in. Load of polo checks coming in now in the next week or two, so I'm going to film those and we're going to put those online also. Be great to see how they go, but be careful because there are a lot of fakes out there apparently. I've got one here somewhere. I have got a fake check somewhere, and one way of telling is it's not as raised on the check. So if I can find it, I'm going to add a photograph of the fake check at the end of the video so you can see, and I'll put a real one and the fake one side by side just so you can see the difference between the two. But that's how the mining checks went. £175 into 425. That's not a bad little result. Hello.
Hi.
Careful. That's my new phone.
Hi guys. I didn't drop the phone.
No, not at all.
Here you go, ugly one's back.
That's my new phone, and she's... Honest to God, guys, I swear to God, I could kill her.
Hi!
That is my new phone. Why is the screen gone dark? What have we done to my screen?
Nothing at all.
Yeah. There, he's
It's
getting
so
a bit brighter.
miserable in here.
Right, guys.
I slipped.
Anyway, as you can see, Happy's arrived, so I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed having a look at and following the mining checks. If you followed them online, great stuff. If you didn't, then there's a video showing me buying them, and now you can see how much they've sold for. Gives you an idea, guys. They're not all worth a tenner. Some of them are worth more money. And them little Thomson Williams plaques, 73 quid. Get out there and look for them. I see another one of them I'm buying, and let me tell you. So, anyway, get looking at them car boot sales, but be careful. Don't buy the fakes, guys. I will try and do some comparisons, and I'll show you the difference between the real one and the fake one. The fake one is it's still raised right in, but it's very, very subtle compared to the real ones. So I'm going to leave it there. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, I would appreciate a like and a share. I can't see. There we go. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you've subscribed, and I'll give you a thumbs up. You'll find me on Facebook. I have a page and a group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on eBay. I have a page at the moment, Antiques Arena Clearance. You'll find me on my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com, or you can come visit us in the shop. It's Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot, 45 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.
Bye.